Welcome back to Learn Time with Victor. Today we're gonna learn about the classifier can. It is talking about the vehicle on the road, okay? The things that is on the road mostly use the classifier of can. And for today, we're gonna learn about it for the second section. For the first, we're gonna learn about the classifier and again, okay. From the last time previous class, we're talking about this one. So please wait a moment. For anyone that come here from the live streaming, after live streaming has ended, you can scroll to the minute of 3. Okay, you can scroll down to that. I will sharing it to the other groups, and if you cannot wait, you can scroll it to the minutes of 3 or 5. Okay, thank you for your understanding. สวัสดีครับคุณบ๊อบand as always คุณนิกิสวัสดีครับสวัสดี okay thank you for waiting me. Yes, so now let's get back to our lessons. So like I said, from starting from this live streaming, we have learned about the classifier that is called and remember that is to use with the things. It is very useful and very universal when you use this one, the word okay. Instead of the another classifier, you can use the word for example, if I say the word male, it is mean a cat, right? And if I say two cats, it's supposed to say แมว2 ตัว for the word ตัว that is classifier for animal and clothing, right? Instead of that, you can use the word if you forget the word, what is the word for ตัว for the animals, for the classifier of animals, okay? But it's grammatically wrong. But for survive, right, you have to use something to quantify the numbers. So anyways, just let's review about the word together. So I have the vocabulary from the last time. from the last time from our previous class. So I will write down the first about the pattern. The pattern of the basic classifier, it is you have to put the word nouns plus number and classifier. When you say about the classifier, you use the word. Please say if it is too reflect and it's not clear. Okay, it is clear for you. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, please say it right down in the comments if it is not clear. Okay. So the basic classifier, you use the word nouns first and then followed by the numbers and classifier. And about the pattern that is I'm talking about always within every class. Okay, thank you, Kuniki. Because from my live streaming, it is not clear. It's not clear, but it's okay if my student can see it clearly. Anyways, when you use the word some, you use the word bang. Okay, bang with flat tone, not falling tone. Okay, when you say the word bang, okay, listen carefully. Bang, it is the word that is you use behind the sentence, okay, at the end of the sentence. Okay, I'm back. Okay, sorry for the connection. It's supposed about technical problems. Okay, let's get back to our lessons. So I say about the word bang, that means some. When you say for somewhere, someone, or something, you use the classifier with the word bang. Okay, so the sentence pattern, it looks like this. I will show you. So it is now first, and then bang. Okay, sorry. And with the classifier. Okay, so this is the pattern that we have learned before, remember? From our previous class, you can see from my live streaming and from the YouTube, I have done from the playlist, start from the classifier of kon for the people,ตัวfor the animal and clothing, things for the and for these sections. For these sections, it is about kan for vehicle, okay? So this is the basic pattern for the first one. And the second one, it is when you say about the word some, okay? So this is vocabulary to use the classifier of thing. So the first one is this one. I will write down in Thai script and transliteration. If you can say the word, if you understand it please write it down in the comment thank you ไม้กวาดไม้ with high tones ไม้กวาด okay this time I not use high tone sorry for that with low tone okay ไม้กวาด what does it mean ไม้กวาด okay so ไม้กวาด that means broom okay broom so this one when as you can see when you use the word an the classifier an it is about mention about the things in your daily life okay so perhaps you see it every day yes perhaps in your living room in your on the table something like that so if I say okay let's just erase this one first if I say 6 brooms how about I say 6 brooms and if I want to say in Thai for the word some broom how can I say it in Thai how can I say it in Thai for the word 6 brooms and some broom yes please write it down if you can say so when you say 6 brooms remember that is ไม้กวาด right so put the word the noun here first ไม้กวาด and followed by the number what is the number 6 in Thai ไม้กวาด and so the word is correct Kuniki but you have to change the position a bit remember that is now is the broom right so ไม้กวาด 6 อัน right ไม้กวาด 6 อัน that is how it is ไม้กวาด and then number 6 6 อัน so how can I say some broom okay when I say about the some broom like that okay so I put the word now so ไม้กวาด again ไม้กวาด บาง อัน ไม้กวาด บาง อัน okay for the word อัน it is mean some oh no อัน sorry บาง it means some broom you can say with the word บาง อัน so put the classifier at the end always as you can see here but change from the number to become the word some okay and put the nouns first and the nouns it is the one that it is it depends on the nouns if the noun is about animal remember the classifier change to the word ตัว if the noun is a person the classifier change to the word คน okay ไม้กวาด บาง อัน good job okay so we're gonna to the next one so for the exercise that I will gonna show you I will write it down about the word in English and if you can say okay if you can say and can you write it down in the comment to learn with me so you please write it down in the comment so the next vocabulary that use the classifier of an is this one rulers okay as you can see this one on the table right so the things in your life that is in the daily life that you use every day okay so that's why I say that this one is very useful classifier that you can use instead of everything so how about I say 5 rulers okay for the thing not the person okay for the things and please write it down with the word some in Thai okay this is the first one so the second one if I say glasses glasses so how about I say 10 glasses and put the word some okay so if you want to use the classifier and for the 5 rulers it is remember the word rulers is anyone know this word ruler is ไม้บรรทัด ไม้บรรทัด so when you use the word 5 rulers it is ไม้บรรทัด for the word now. So now it is have to use the classifier of อัน right ไม้บรรทัด5 is number 5ไม้บรรทัด5 อันไม้บรรทัด5 อัน it means 5 rulers. Okay, so when you use the word for the word some with this noun rulers ไม้บรรทัด you change only in the middle of the phrases ไม้บรรทัดบางอันไม้บรรทัดบางอัน okay, but when you say something the word something in Thai you have to change something is บางอย่าง okay, normally the word something is บางอย่าง not บางอัน but when you combine it with classifier บาง and อัน that means something as well. But to talking about the word nouns here, okay, for the classifier or when you quantify the numbers. Okay, so glasses, do you know this word glasses in Thai? แว่นตา repeat after me please แว่นตา so when you use this word how about 10 glasses it is แว่นตา first, right? Glasses it's double line, right? So it is about not about a cup. Okay,แก้ว it is a glass, right? So when you say that like a sunglasses just like that คุณ oh good evening from Thailand ครับ คุณเกรเชียครับ okay, good to see you. So about this one แว่นตา10 อันแว่นตา10 อัน okay, and when you were talking about sunglasses it is แว่นตาบางอันแว่นตาบางอัน okay, so if you say you talk about แก้ว that's good because if you say about a cup, what is the classifier of a cup? Anyone know that? Anyone can write it down on the comment. Anyone know the classifier of แก้ว a cup? Anyone? Okay, when I erase this one, if anyone know the word, please write it down. What is the classifier for a cup? A glass. Okay, so it is ถ้วยokay ของชนถ้วย like this, like the word ด้วย sounds like that ถ้วย okay ถ้วย1 ถ้วย for example 1 cup, okay, a cup 1 ถ้วย1 แก้ว so the word แก้ว it is can be the classifier itself, okay, the classifier itself for the cup you can say by the word ถ้วย or the word แก้ว, okay, but not for today that we're not talking about that because it is will be too much for someone it is the beginners. Okay, so how about this one? Let's review this word. 2 words. The first one is irons. Okay, irons and eraser. Okay, if I say 15 irons and 11 eraser, and how can I check it with the word some? Okay. So for the first word irons, if you know it please write it down in the comment, or eraser, okay, if you know the word, and if you can change the word this English phrases to become the classifier in Thai, please write it down in the comment. Okay, while I do it or answer it for you, please write it down in the comments, on the comment, okay? So the first one, 15 irons. Iron is เตารีด okay? The word sounds is เตารีด, okay, เตารีด. So for the Thai script, in Thai script, you do like this, เตารีด. Oh, sorry. เตารีด okay write down hereเตารีด this one it is mean irons okay เตารีด with the high tone here read okay so if I say 15 iron is เตารีด15อันเตารีด15อัน okay and if I say about some irons เตารีดบางอันเตารีดบางอัน alright okay so what about eraser or rubber here so what does it mean in Thai how can I call it in Thai eraser anyone คุณเกรเชียคุณ Nikki or anyone eraser it is ยางลบยางลบ right how about I say 11 erasers it is ยางลบnow first ยางลบ11อันยางลบ11อัน okay and for the word some ยางลบบางอันยางลบบางอัน don't forget that noun is to change the classifier when the noun it is it is mean it is a thing when the classifier is ตัว the word it is animal or clothing when it is about คน it is the person okay so we change to the next one okay let's wait a moment okay sorry for the technical problem again about it is about the internet connection from my side okay so that is how you can work with the classifier an okay so from after the live streaming just you can practice it by yourself from the vocabulary that I say so you can practice from the previous lessons and from the speaking word that I say and practice from the patterns, the basic pattern of the classifier and the basic pattern when you say about the word some, okay, in time. So now we're gonna learn from students about the second section for the live streaming today. Today we're gonna learn about the word kan, classifier kan for the vehicle, okay. So kan, the classifier of kan, it is for about the vehicle that is on the road, okay? Mostly, I can say mostly, some of it has exceptions, So just, I will show you the example of the word that is used, the word kan for the classifier, okay? And I will show you in half from this side, it is the in common that use classifier of kan, and in this side it is a vehicle on the road and in the sky and in the water that use another other classifier, okay, that you can separate by yourself. So let's get started from the first one. The first one is anyone that know the word รถยนต์ 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 Okay, anyone know this word รถยนต์ Okay, and the next one it is okay. I suppose that I will not okay, sorry. Next one it is รถเมล์ รถเมล์ รถ again. Okay, รถเมล์ 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 Okay. So just start from the two words here. Anyone know this one? It's very simple, right? รถยนต์ it is for a car, okay? A car, รถยนต์ So in many situations, you can use only the word รถ when you mention about a car, any kind of car. So it is like a suffix. When you say a bus, a taxi, you can use the word รถ yes, in front of the word. For example, taxi, you can say รถ taxi, รถ taxi. For the word train, you can say รถไฟ รถไฟ Fire is mean fire, just like a fire that you use for cooking. The fire that is showing that it's burn, that make you heat, just like that. รถไฟ that is a train in Thai. And this word รถเมล์ รถเมล์ a bus, okay? รถเมล์ So I will show you. How about I say 20 cars, 20 cars, okay? 20 cars. So it is รถ รถยนต์ รถยนต์ 20 คัน รถยนต์ 20 คัน 20 cars รถยนต์ 20 คัน How I say some cars รถยนต์ บางคัน รถยนต์ บางคัน right? Okay. So next one รถเมล์ a bus. How about I say 30 bus, 30 buses, 30 buses. How so I say รถเมล์ รถเมล์ okay? Or รถ bus. So for the word bus, just put the word รถ in front. So you can make it understandable for Thai people when you say รถ bus or just bus, but to make sure, because some of the beginners, the pronunciation is very important, very significant. So please use it, okay? รถเมล์ รถเมล์ or รถ bus, something like that. รถ bus, okay? I say 30, right? รถ bus 30 คัน รถ bus 30 คัน okay? So with the word some, รถ bus บางคัน รถ bus บางคัน all right, that's how it is. So for the word, the next one, it is motorbike. Motorbike is มอเตอร์ไซค์ but you can say by the word รถ in front, มอเตอร์ไซค์ okay? I will write it down in Thai script. มอ oh sorry, not here, because from the another side I suppose that to write down for the classifier of vehicle that is not use the word คัน right? So motorbike, มอเตอร์ไซค์ มอเตอร์ไซค์ motorbike. So this one is mean motorbike, a bike, okay? Motorcycle. If I say 25 motorbike, 25 motorbike. Okay, in casual way, you can say the word motorbike like มอไซค์ มอไซค์ It makes sense for Thai as well, okay? มอไซค์ So motorcycle and numbers is 25. มอเตอร์ไซค์25 คัน มอเตอร์ไซค์ or มอไซค์25 คัน If I say some motorbike, มอเตอร์ไซค์บางคัน okay? มอเตอร์ไซค์บางคัน Okay, I think it's enough for today because it's nearly 30 minutes. But we will gonna continue our lessons from the same classifier of Kant next week, okay? But now I'm gonna show you about the vehicle that is not use the classifier of Kant, but still it is a vehicle. For example, a boat, the airplane, or train. Yes, of course, train. Okay. So we gonna learn about this one. I suppose that next time we will stop a classifier for a bit, and let's say it is extra session that I will talking about the word which one อันไหน okay, that is very useful when we know classifier, and we will gonna continue this one to be complete. Okay, so if you see this live streaming is good and interested for you, you can send the support to the or give a star to the live streaming or my reels video in page Learn Thai with Victor. We have the communities, okay. Learn Thai for fun. It is now 100%, 100 members. Thank you for support. And if you like to learn Thai with Victor privately, okay, in private, you can direct message to me, okay. So if you see it is good, or if you have any question more about Thai language or Thai cultures, so please send the question to me. If it is, if I can answer that, I will answer that immediately. But if I cannot, I will research it for you, okay? Because teacher is not about know everything in the world, right? So thank you for watching today, and have a nice day. See you next week, same time, 8:30, okay? Bangkok time. 2 ทุ่มครึ่งนะครับ 2 ทุ่มครึ่ง Okay, for today สวัสดีครับ